Ever wondered how you could turn your idle time into a steady stream of income? Picture this. What if I told you that every TikTok video you watch could earn you a cool $4? Intriguing, right? Today we're diving into the world of making money online, exploring a simple yet effective method. So, get ready to unlock the potential of your leisure moments. And hey, if you're new here or you've been with us for a while now, welcome back to Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income. Now, as you start on this TikTok video selection journey, understand that the choices you make play a pivotal role in your earnings. How come? Well, you see, funny videos are just the tip of the iceberg. They're a fantastic starting point due to their widespread appeal and high viewership. Think of it as navigating a virtual sea of content. As you dive into viral funny videos, you're essentially exploring the digital ocean of entertainment. Each video is a potential treasure, and your task is to find the gems that not only captivate you but have the potential to captivate a broader audience. Consider this like being a talent scout for your own entertainment agency. Your job is to scout out videos that not only make you laugh but have that unique spark. It's about identifying content that has the potential to resonate with a massive audience. After all, more views mean more dollars in your pocket. Now on to the next step. Turning that engaging TikTok video into an eye-catching image that'll reel in the viewers. You see, Canva isn't your average design platform. It's a powerhouse for crafting visuals without the need for a graphic design degree. First things first, head over to Canva. Come and create an account if you haven't already. It's as simple as a few clicks and typing in your basic details. Think of Canva as your digital workshop, equipped with all the tools you need to mold your image. After signing up, go for a custom size, 1080 by 1920. Why? Because that's the perfect canvas for your TikTok promotional masterpiece. This size ensures your image fits seamlessly into the TikTok landscape, catching eyes effortlessly. Now, let's talk about the elements. Add that screenshot you grabbed from the chosen TikTok video. Canva allows you to drag, resize, and position it precisely how you want. But we're not done yet. Spice things up by incorporating a shape. This adds a touch of professionalism and frames your image, making it stand out in the digital crowd. In a nutshell, Canva is your digital playground for creating an image that demands attention. It's about more than just slapping a screenshot on a blank canvas. It's about strategically placing elements to craft an image that makes people pause while scrolling. So, gear up. Explore the design possibilities on Canva and start earning now. Pinterest is like the bustling market square of the internet. Millions stroll through daily, seeking something intriguing. First off, create an account on Painters. Come, that's your ticket to this bustling marketplace. Once you're in, hit Create and select Create Pin. This is where your TikTok promotional journey takes off. Think of Pinterest as your digital bulletin board. Upload the image you crafted on Canva. Now, what makes your pin irresistible? The title. Craft a title that's not just descriptive but also sparks curiosity. For example, Crazy Monkey. Watch now. The watch now adds that extra push, inviting viewers to take immediate action. Now, let's tackle the potential hurdle on our journey. Pinterest might not always play nice with certain links, but fear not, we've got a workaround, and it goes by the name of Linktree. Think of it as your bridge, ensuring a smooth connection between your Pinterest pin and your TikTok video. Linktree acts as a mediator, turning your potentially troublesome shrink-me.io link into a format that Pinterest readily accepts. Start by creating an account on Linktree. It's a straightforward process, requiring just a few clicks and basic details. Your dashboard becomes your command center, allowing you to manage your links effortlessly. Picture Linktree as the friendly concierge guiding your audience to the right doors. Once you've created your Linktree, simply paste the shrink-me.io link in there. Now, when Pinterest users click on your pin, they're smoothly redirected through Linktree, ensuring your TikTok video gets the exposure it deserves. But why this extra step, you ask? Well, it's all about versatility. Linktree doesn't just limit you to one link, it lets you showcase multiple destinations. So as users explore your Linktree, they might not only find your TikTok video but also other engaging content you've curated, enhancing your online presence. So if you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe for more financial insights to join us in revealing the secrets behind fortune. Only here on Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income.